Steve and I as we go out and capture images of the Ozarks and sometimes teach you a little about photography. I was just kidding at the beginning. This is not our new format. I know this is going to be hard to believe, but I messed up. For some reason, I didn't get any audio. So what I'm going to do is do a voiceover through this video. Sorry about that. So I don't know what Steve and I are talking about here. We're at a site that Steve knew about, and really this started off being a scouting mission. This is called Swinging Bridge near Brumley, Missouri. And I've never been here, but it's closed off to cars, it's closed off to pedestrians. Here, Steve's talking about how his eyes see, and he's got a great composition. Now, I didn't get out my full frame camera. I shot some on my little point and shoot camera, but Steve's really getting into this composition here. This bridge, we're guessing it's about, I don't know, 100 yards long. It's a nice bridge. Here, Steve is explaining how he does focus stacking, and I think he's going to show you his histogram here in just a second. Yeah, there it is. He does exposure to the right. Oh, he accidentally hit the wrong button right there. I've been flying more drone footage for these videos. Let me know what you think. Here's the composition that Steve had. He's taking us through his composition. Another overhead drone shot. And I'm not sure what I'm talking about, but it must have been interesting at the time. And Steve's pointing to his camera. Here I'm flying my drone past Steve. And I'm walking by Steve. And this, I'm always scared flying my drone, especially if it's over water. And I'm always afraid it's going to take off. And I'm walking back up the trail. More drone footage. And again, give me some feedback. The butterfly I seen on the trail. And now, as usual, here's our photos.